Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore deleted WhatsApp videos or how to recover deleted WhatsApp videos. First, you'll need to go into Play Store and you're going to search for Deleted Video Recovery app, as you can see right here. After you have downloaded it, you're going to tap on Open. As you can see, it's opening now. Then you're going to tap on Let's Start. Then you'll tap on Allow Media Access. As you can see, it is scanning for any deleted videos. And if you had deleted a recent WhatsApp video, it will find it right here. But I didn't delete any. But let's say I should go into WhatsApp right now. And I should delete a video, for example, this video right here. But the beauty about this app, if you had deleted a video in the past, you'll be able to find it now. You'll tap on Video Recovery. And tap on Scan. As you can see, it's analyzing. And just give it a few seconds. As you can see here, it has recovered all of my deleted videos in the past. That's it. So now if you would like to restore a recently deleted video, you'll simply tap on it. And you'll select the one that you like to restore. Then you'll tap on Restore. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.